Iri edobe no women. Edonorowa, edonorisi. Wala wo meno otuwa. Osu.
Oh, if our Edo people, everybody they support each other like this, I believe say poverty go see less more. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about the way our Edo people they really support this our Edo actress with the art film we get this big this thing for belle. My people, our presenters they really like make me, they shocktalize me. They shocktalize me not be small. I am so happy when I see say the way all of them they support this woman. God go bless all of una. I just come pray for una because like I not even expect say our Edo people go really support this woman like this. God go bless una. That is one thing I love about our Edo people, sha. If something dey happen like this, the way all of them take dey support, I really like the thing. The thing go dey shocktalize me. You know, I see Enogie is support, Lady of Song support with 100,000, MC AY that one support with 500,000. God go bless all of una, all the presenters. Even Sarah T. Boss, you see posting, Mama Gladys, God go bless all of una. Rita Ayemiomo TV, God go bless you, my darling sister. Lolo Talk Show, if fans too, one support with 200,000, one support with 20, some support with 50, God go bless all of una. The way all of una take support this our Edo sister. God go bless everybody. God go bless una. If our Edo people they do like I said, she don't even see that money pass. She don't even see that money pass. The one wey come dey shocktalize me be say people wey we dey see say they spray money for party they do. I no even hear of them. I no hear say they even give anybody money. I know the thing still dey shock me up till now. Our sister who dey zuzu, who dey breathe, who dey I no even see her own too. Maybe they go see put later. Or maybe they see put, they not talk and come out. Because the one wey me see, now me they talk. God go bless una. I see many people really support her. Many people put money. Many. God go bless una. I believe that yesterday till today, she don't see that money pass. She don't see that money pass. We want to see that Mrs. Yobosa again. We want this Orobosa want to see her again for this, for Edo moving, because we love her. If you know say you never see support, I beg, see give. Giver never lack. You understand? Giver never lack. Even me when they talk so, I go put my own tomorrow. I go put my own tomorrow too. So I believe say everybody say me will still support. Even though the money come pass, she still need money to still take care of herself. If she does still dey okay. I really love the way our presenters they really like not be only saga, they know them for all of una way they say saga. At least they try. They try because if not be them, we see poster, cause they do video put. I believe say some people not go see one donate. You understand? They still try. Not be only saga we say know them. All of them try. Everybody try. I was so happy. Like I was so really happy. The way everybody take turn up since yesterday. The way everybody take turn up since yesterday. God go bless una. God go bless una. More than join me pray for them. More than pray for all of them. Lady of Song put 100,000. Mama OKA she still put her own too. She do video they put her own. Then Rita Yemiomo, their fans, all the presenters, more than pray for all of them. Kate ODL, all of them. They put money. God go bless all of una. God go bless all of una because agazunu gagbe esaya pomosa. At least if this woman see this money now, they take care of her this fibroid now. You see her, she go dey okay. But if money not there, that person they cry. If money not there, you go they cry. Say, oh God, how go they take care of myself? Wetin I go do she no know. You say this say na ibele just dey big. You no know say another thing na dey inside ibele. So God, I just happy say the money now. I believe say the money go don complete since yesterday. I believe that one. So my ogbonge people, thank you, and please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral. If you want to see support. The account e dey there, e dey Facebook, e dey everywhere. If una want, I fit come put the account for here too. Make all of una put money, more una contribute. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.
Hello. Now, good morning, oh, my brothers and my sisters, my good fans, my good fans, my friends and my followers. Now, good morning. You don't tell where I come up for us this morning. Ni yakpa wa se ni ban. Na te kagwa lari e. Ogun ya wo gbe okodo. Cause ka call e wo gbe network ma. So, this is what na we road up we gbe re. E dey dia. E go ina we ade. So, e ten me gan. Oh, where Mrs. Orobosa Owe eke Iyapaka Owe Anjena. We do me my brothers and my sisters. We do show up, we do show love. You know, boy, we say, anything we say. At least, a team everyone. Hello, I bet Mona call this for me, this sister. Come on. Call the for when you see, this is Orobosa Owe senior sister. Now she be this. So, all the for me, the pikin where you get the account number, where they pay the money, she dey here. See her. Now the daughter be this. Now, precious, the last born of Orobosa Owe. Today, me sick on now. I for me I record that, but as she stays sleep, I not go disturb her. She like that. So some people they call since the woman not fit pick call. So now let me dey. They send me picking message. Our sister not this house. I go buy something. Came back and I pick the call. No can not vessel say I pick the call. Now person say me I better pick and they come. Not be say me I pick and now sister say make I pick and say she they come. Me I tell her say she dey sleep. So today, and the small money wey I get, where my hand reach me, Mrs. Okesh, Mama Noka Sendo, now be this one. So who I go give the sister be like a king, give me daughter. Sawe se Saloba no gba oge ijwe. O Saloba no wo go me. O be wo ge. E fancy ya no mudi ya gba oge me no mudi ya teme. Na ira gbede na na. O Saloba wa mi do bo wa mi gbe. Ìwọ̀n ebo ni o we wa we set normal set with your biro, wa we set with your bedroom. Erun. Nwa go ya swear Orobosa Owe because she's a gentle woman. Or gentle gbe. Although she we ma marry we gbe wa we fast radio because no bo me ma ya mi gbe awa ku mi gbe wa go we ma so no dey now amen mi o we ma sasa was serious or you make wa be atule mu de wo be na e ten the gan e ko ni we afi boy na go dey von o ma wa la ho iyo bo erun prayer ala wo no me erun we no na agume share video na pa share wa ge gba ya fe da iyen we wa na we fansima uwa yi ma yo uwa yi ma gaga uwa mujani ma uwa muja yo we emi ro pa ewi ma and emi ro pa ewu wa omo ewu wa omo pe ewu wa omo epo ewu wa we ni Jesu Kristi no mi afa ma ise Saloba no gegbe ra ma o Saloba no la o no mu me pagbe mi am no we do mu e pagbe mi am o ni Jesu Kristi no mi afa ma ise Bahia awese o Saloba re pon mi wa o say fast we come here we say we ya yo bo.
My beloved brothers and sisters, I so much appreciate everybody for the support you've given to me and my mother. We appreciate everything. So thank you very much. Both the ones who brought 5 naira, the one bought 10 naira, the one bought millions of naira. We appreciate everything, even the prayers. We even appreciate the prayers more. Thank you so much. We appreciate all of you guys. Thank you. God bless you. As you render assistance and help to us, so will God also render assistance and help to you and your